My name is Adam Ostermiller. I'm head of business development and strategy at ICA. We serve advisors across the country, some on the smaller state registered side, the multi-billion dollar kind of national footprint size, and everywhere in between.
My name is Stacy Craddock. I'm the founder and CEO of ICA. Within our ICA team, we have individuals who are Series 65 licensed. They've sat on the other side, either as CCO or CCO delegates. They have experience in the industry. And within that, we also have our business development team that can speak to all different levels of consulting within our client base and potential clients.
I love partnering with new CCOs to teach them not only how to effectively do their jobs, but to create processes and procedures that match their firm's goals as well as the SEC's expectations.
You talk to any of our consultants, they'll tell you they sleep much better at night here at ICA when they know our clients and they know that they're in a good position. If they ever were to go under exam, we want to be able to support them through that process, as well as just the day-to-day, ensuring that they're protecting their firm and their life's work, as well as their clients when you look at the cybersecurity offering that we've expanded into as well.
We can partner with firms of any size to help build a cybersecurity program where they feel confident and prepared for their future in this digital world. A very unique part of our program is our education. While education is pivotal to all cybersecurity programs, ours has a specific education component for end clients.
Something that really sets us apart is that we get to know our firms and we become very integrated into their day-to-day processes. We go beyond compliance to ensure that we understand you and we understand what your goals are and what your aspirations are. Your compliance department is growing and evolving just as your firm is.
With the monthly contracts with us, they have the flexibility to move up and down the support model and the different tiers that we offer, and that's all done intentionally.
Integrated Compliance Advisors offers you CCO checklists every single month that are going to break down every task of your compliance department into really bite-sized chunks. This is to make sure that not only are you staying on task with SEC rules and regulations as well as state rules and regulations, but that you don't feel overwhelmed by the entire process and everything that goes into creating a culture of compliance at your firm.
We want to be a compliance consultant that our clients won't outgrow.